Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking ButterFish, here in Malawi mostly commonly known as Batala. First, I began by cleaning the fish, removing all the scales with a knife, making sure that everything was nicely cleaned. And before we continue, if you enjoy my content, please don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. It really helps my channel grow and I would really appreciate your support. Now, back to the fish. I removed all the insides. As you can see, this looks so nice. And then I cut it into two so that it fits nicely in the pot. So this fish is fresh from Lake Malawi, and then I had to wash it again in the water so that everything is nicely done. And then I pressed it in the pot piece by piece, and then I began seasoning with my paprika, curry powder and a little salt. So I don't use too many spices because that really depends on your preferences. Then I added in a little water and let it cook. While it was cooking, I took another pot and added in my oil, onions. While it was cooking, I had a little bit of blackout at this point, but then I kept going. A few minutes before the fish is fully cooked, I added in the tomatoes. So that's the tomato mixture. And then I poured in a little water using the same pot so that I get all the flavors, and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 more minutes. And it was ready. Look at how nice it looks. This meal, a 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, it's a bye from me.